What you just heard was a copper tube, but not just any copper tube. This is a custom prototype made by Xander Hume, and it records at 192 kilohertz. 192 kilohertz is 4 times the amount of audio information that audio is regularly recorded with, which means when I talk into the microphone like this, I can pitch shift the fuck out of it and it will sound like this. Which is perfect for creating horror sound effects for my game, Penguin Colony. Now, this is not an ad for this microphone, and these are early prototypes. But if you do want to see if you can get one, I've included the link in the description.